Once upon a time, in a magical land far, far away, lived a peculiar cat named Whiskers. Whiskers was not an ordinary cat. He had a knack for magic and loved to explore. One day, he stumbled upon a strange house, where he found a woman with pink hair and a cat-like hat. "Hello, dear kitty," said the woman with a sweet but stern voice. "I am Dolores Umbridge. I've been expecting you." Whiskers felt a little uneasy, but he was curious and decided to stay. Umbridge welcomed him with open arms and offered him a comfortable chair by the fireplace. "Tell me, Whiskers, do you have a talent for magic?" Umbridge asked, her eyes twinkling. "I do," replied Whiskers, feeling proud. "I can cast spells and brew potions." Umbridge smiled. "Excellent. I have a task for you. I need someone to help me with a special project. Would you be interested?" Whiskers agreed, and Umbridge explained that she was creating a new school where magic would be taught in a traditional and disciplined way. She wanted him to help her design the school's insignia. Whiskers spent days and nights working on the design, crafting a beautiful emblem with sparkling stars and a friendly owl. He was quite pleased with his creation and presented it to Umbridge with a flourish. "It's perfect!" Umbridge exclaimed, her eyes shining with delight. "You have a talented paw, Whiskers. I will make sure to give you proper credit for this magnificent design." But as time passed, Whiskers began to notice that Umbridge was not as kind as she had seemed. She was strict and punished students harshly for the slightest mistake. Whiskers felt sad and worried for his friends. One day, he decided to confront Umbridge about her behavior. "Dolores," he said, "I thought you were going to create a school where magic is taught in a kind and loving way. But I see now that you are not. I cannot be a part of this anymore." Umbridge looked at Whiskers, her face hardened. "You have made the wrong choice, Whiskers. You will regret this." But Whiskers stood his ground and left the school, vowing to use his magic to help those in need. He returned to his cozy home, feeling a sense of peace and pride knowing he had done the right thing. From that day on, Whiskers dedicated his life to spreading love and kindness, proving that even the smallest creature can make a big difference. And as for Umbridge, she was never seen again in that magical land. The end.